Hello, it's a wired speaker and light system. I will try to make it rechargeable and cordless. For this project, I will use one 18650 battery and I will make this speaker Bluetooth. So I have this Bluetooth module and this amplifier module ready to be connected. Let's see what we can do. At first, we have to open this thing. Okay. So let's see what's inside. It has a circuit with a touch switch for the LED light. So we have to preserve this thing, and also I have to install this battery for make it rechargeable. And if I install this battery with a charger module, it can run this LED. But for the speaker side, we have to install more things: a Bluetooth module and a amplifier module. And I think I will install these things in here in speaker side. So let's open this thing and see what we can do. Like all sprue is open. Now it should be open like this. So this is the thing. That means we don't have enough space for our modules here. We have to keep everything in this lower compartment. So I'm going to attach this cover again and screw it again. So all we can do in here only. I think this circuit has also amplifier because this is power. Let's check with our external power supply. I will inject power in this wire so I can understand what is happening here. Okay, I will inject 4 volt in here. Then I will see what happened. 4 volt. Negative, positive. What happened? It doesn't work properly because the connection is not good. So this is the power input, and I will input voltage in here from our charger module, from our battery, and this too is amplifier input, left minus, left plus. This one is left connection, middle one is common, so we will use these two connection, okay, only. And also we have to use a on-off switch for charging this system. I will use this port. I have to place it somewhere. Now I'm going to connect my Bluetooth module to the system. This board has a audio input, and I connect this to the Bluetooth audio output. Easy peasy. So this is common, and it will go right here. This soldering iron is not ideal for this type of work, but I only have this, so I work with this. So our Bluetooth module is connected. Now we have to do one thing: make them parallel. Then I'll think what I can do. Positive to positive, negative to negative. But which one is positive and which one is negative? And negative, this one is negative, this one is positive. So white goes to red, goes to here. We need some soldering paste. Soldering paste is essential for a good solder joint. Nice. Clean them all. So now our Bluetooth module is connected with our amplifier system. Now I have to think about the power. So what we can do, I have to use a charger module, and I have to make a way to charge this thing from the outside. So I will use this connector for that reason, and I don't know where can I place this. Is this okay if I put this charger in back of this thing? I think it will be easy for me. If I put it in here, then my job will be easier. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I make some space in here, place this thing, and I think it is okay. Yes, it's fit in this place. So put the cover, port placement, charger port placement done. Nice, fantastic. Then we need to focus inside. We have to use some glue or make it tight and secure. I will do this later. Bluetooth module connected. Final part. Now I have to use a on-off switch somewhere in here, better here. charger module may be in front of all, so we can see the LED is glowing and charging out. Time to connect our charger module. Negative. I don't like this solder joint. This is not look good. Okay. Give some soldering paste and it now much better. Now it's a good solder joint, and I have to clean all of this soldering paste. Now what? Bluetooth module connected, charger module connected, and now we have to connect our battery with this system. For that reason, oh no, we have to install one another thing. We need a on-off switch. Let's find one. I think this switch is okay for our speaker. I have to make a hole for this switch in here. At first I have to make a hole for this leg, then I will cut space for whole switch. Finally we make a hole for this switch in here in backside. Ah, what a mess. Let's clean it. This wire is disconnected from here. We have to connect it again. So what we have to do? We have to do something. This output will go to this board through the switch. So I need some cable, and so our switch is ready to be installed. Press it like this. Nice, fantastic. There's our switch. So from this side, I have to do some. The one leg of this switch will directly connect to the output of this board, positive output. Okay, we'll connect it right now. Connected, and another will go to this board. This is positive output, so it will go to the positive connection here, and it's connected. And our negative output from this board will directly go to the negative input of this board. Negative input is connected. Now from this here, done. And now only one thing we have to do, we have to connect our battery with the system. Before install the battery, let's see does our system work with directly. Yes, it works. It works. Battery is connected to the BMS. Now everything is ready to go. Switch on, touch, light on, touch again, speaker on, touch again, light off, speaker on, touch again, off. So now everything is ready to work, and turn it off. So let's assemble it again. Our battery will go in this place, and the charger module will be in here like this, and Bluetooth module will go somewhere in this corner. But before assembling everything, we have to make them secure. We have to use some hot glue, some masking tape, and an important task is we have to reconnect our touch switch. We glued everything in place, and the last piece of this puzzle is to connect our sensor. I think it's connected, and turn off the switch. So everything is okay, and now we're going to screw it again. No, is there any problem? I think some extra glue stuck in here. Clean it for good. Now it will fit perfectly. Here is our screw. Screw them all. Last screw. So now it is ready to work. This is the power switch. Switch on, touch switch, light on, touch again, speaker on, touch again, light off, but speaker is running, touch again, stop everything. For save your battery, turn it off. So this is how I turn my wired speaker into wireless. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button for this guy.